Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In today's video, we are going to learn the shadings with 4B pencil. So for this, I'm making small boxes of 16 shades, and we'll make small boxes using the same pencil. I'm using 4B graphite pencil. I'm using here Artline pencil. Okay, so shading plays very important role in any drawing or sketching, because we can show the 3D effect or the artistic or whatever it is. We have to know the grades and shadings. So for this, I'm showing this, and we'll see now how to start this. So for the very first time, I'm going to give darker shade, and this darker shade, we are not going to get the complete dark in one attempt. For shading, we have to apply, or we have to give layering technique. We have to use layering technique. Okay, then we can get the darkest tone whatever we want. So 4B is it is not the darkest pencil, but we can get dark color in this. So here I'm giving this second layer to get the dark texture. Okay, the dark layer. And after this, I'm going to reduce a little bit pressure, and I'm going to give the second shading. So as I said, this shading plays very important role, and you have to become perfect in this. If at all we know how to shade, then only we can do any 3D objects, any 3D drawing. So here I have done the second layer even for the second box, but I feel both boxes are same. So now what should we do? We should again give another layer to the first box to make it even more darker. So in this way, now you can see a little bit of difference between this. So the like the boxes we are coloring, we have to reduce very little pressure, and only 1% of the darkness we need to get it down, so that we should show very light, very light differentiation between the previous box and the one which we are coloring. In that way we need to color. So if at all we are coloring in this way, we can make not only 16, but we can just shade even 100 times. You can just get from one pencil nearly 100 shades of coloring or sketching. So keep on practicing and keep on reducing the pressure and keep on working on this. The more you practice, the more we get the shades, and the more we have to learn how to handle the pencil. So in this way, we can show the darkness, we can show the lightness, and here I'm reducing the pressure even more, and I'm applying very little pressure. And this pencil is like I'm doing a little bit fast, but you have to do very slowly for the very first time if at all you are practicing. And keep on practicing and keep on reducing the pressure and color the boxes, or color all the boxes, give shades to all the boxes. So I think you can see the difference, like for the first box and the 9th box I'm doing, and the way I go till 16th box, it becomes the lighter shade. We can of course even get even more lighter shade, but I have stopped till 16 boxes. You can practice till at minimum of 50 boxes. Okay, keep on practicing. I hope you all like this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can just message me in the comment box, and I can answer you, and I can even make many more videos whatever you require. And this is the way we are coloring it. Yeah, if at all you want to learn, like we have very basics lessons from very basics in my channel. So please visit my channel for the very basics tips and tricks in learning the drawing. So thanks for watching, and if you are watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel and please do share the channel. Thank you.